Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2015 ECE paper. The output of a standard second order system for a unit step input is given as y of t is given for a standard second order system with unit step inputs, and we are going to write the transfer function of the system. So A, B, C, D are the options which is going to be the right one. Okay. So first we should know what is the transfer function of standard second order system and what is the value whenever it is underdamped. We know a second order system can be of four different types. It may be undamped or underdamped or overdamped or critically damped. But based on the zeta value, okay, if zeta value is in between 0 and 1, it will be treated as underdamped, and this y of t expression is looks like this form of expression is for underdamped system. Even though it has not given, the form is going to be directly related to underdamped system. Underdamped system means for that one zeta value is in between 0 and 1. So this is standard second order equation transfer function, and this is C of t, response in time domain when zeta is between 0 and 1. So this is, we are considering it as underdamped system, underdamped second order system. So this is 1 minus e power minus zeta omega nt by square root of 1 minus zeta square e sin omega d plus t, and you can write it as sin in terms of cos by using 90 plus. Okay. So to write the transfer function, what we require is omega n and zeta values. If you know zeta and omega n, you can write the transfer function. Okay. So we must get zeta and omega n values from this one. For this, okay, write it. So look at this one. This is e power minus t. So e power zeta omega nt minus zeta omega nt is nothing but e power t. So e power minus t is equal to e power zeta omega nt. From this one we can say zeta omega n is equal to 1, because 1 into 2 you can write zeta omega n value is 1. So this is first equation, and second equation is 1 by e power minus zeta omega nt by 1 by under root of 1 minus zeta square. So from this one, square root of 1 minus zeta square is equal to whatever the product you will get into this e power term. So that is 2 by root 3. So 1 minus square root of 1 minus zeta square is equal to 2 by root 3. So take square root on both sides. Then you will get it as 1 minus zeta square 1 by, and this is 4 by 3 you will get. So 4 minus, take cross multiplication. Okay. 4 minus 4 zeta square is equal to 3, and 4 zeta square is equal to, okay, this 4 zeta square minus, and if it is taking this side it will become plus 3. If you are taking this side it will become minus. 4 minus 3 is 1. So zeta square is equal to 1 by 4, and zeta value is 1 by 2. So zeta value is 1 by 2 means 0.5. Okay. And next, if zeta is 1 by 2, then omega n is equal to, okay, so from equation 1 we can write it as zeta is equal to 1 by 2, omega n is equal to, zeta into omega n is 1, zeta is 1 by 2. So you can write omega n is equal to 2. So we know the values of omega n and zeta. So directly we can write the standard equation. Standard equation is omega n square. Omega n square means 4. Okay. S square plus 2 zeta omega n. 2 zeta omega n, that is 2 itself into s. Okay. Plus omega n square 4. So this is going to be the right answer. Omega n square by s square plus 2 zeta omega n s plus 4. Okay. So the right answer for this question is D. Thank you.